Hi guys, how's it going? Quick video on my Suzuki GSX S-1000. I just need to reset the service light on it because I took it for an MOT, and while I was there at Probike Repairs, big shout out to them in Yockleton in Shropshire. Really good place to go. If you've never been there and if you live near the area, then I suggest you do go because you know, those boys are shit hot, to be fair. But as I say, I got the MOT done, and while I was there, I thought, fuck it, I'll do the oil and the oil filter. Just saves me a job. But then I just need to reset the service light, which, to be fair to them, they didn't really have time to do because they were busy and they just fit me in last minute, as they always do, which I'm really grateful for. So we're going to have a little look at that now because it's fucking... The manual is shit. The videos on YouTube are shit because they show you how to do it, but they don't film the whole thing, and they just presume prior knowledge, basically. So we'll have a little look now, and for all of you GSX S-1000 2022 onwards or before owners, the menu's fairly similar. We'll have a little look. I think it's just the pins that change, but let's have a look, put it out there, and then hopefully we can help some other frustrated fucking GSX S-1000 owners out there to reset the service light. So guys, look, seat off. This is what you're looking for. It's just tucked underneath there. It plugs in behind there. And those are the two pins that you want to be looking at. I'm not sure what those pins are, so I'm assuming if it's 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, maybe 1 and 3, or if it's the other way, it might be 4 and 6. Not sure, just copy that. Use a paper clip or a piece of wire like that. And yeah, obviously when the bike's off. And then turn the bike on. Have a little look. There's our little service menu that comes up. So on the instrument panel now, not my Crocs. They're not mine, they're my son's. They fit me though. On the instrument panel now, it's hold up. Yeah, so that menu. And then up 1 to service, and then the bit they don't tell you is to hold down this button now, hold the down arrow to access the service display, and then we can say reset. So if I just hold that down, so what I'm doing is I'm holding down this is your select button, hold this one down to select. Reset yes or no, hold it down, yes. When's the next service due? Well, what's the date today? Fuck, let me pause the video, I'm not sure. So it's the 3rd of January 2026, so it's automatically said, I presume you want another service 3rd of the 1st 2027. I'm happy with that. So let's move down again, just moving down with this button here. And I'm moving across. You can just go to set. So it's a year or 7,500 miles, isn't it? Is basically what it's saying. So we'll hold the down arrow again. That's the bit they don't tell you. Hold it down. And then I presume that is done now. What's that saying? Reset again. No, I don't want to reset. So let's just exit that then. Exit out. How do we exit out? Actually, I know we don't want to reset again. So we'll just go out now. I've come out of that menu then by pressing mode because I did reset it. And let's just see what happens. We'll turn it off. Turn it back on. There we go, no more service message, so that's done and it's set ready for next year or 7,500 miles. Happy days. Turn it off and then just remove your wire. It's just a bit of speaker wire or a bit of electrical wire. Job done. Don't forget to plug that back in underneath where you took it from. Doesn't do anything, there's nothing in the inside of that. It's just like a holder, if you like. Those pins don't actually go into anything from what I can see. No. There we go. Happy days. GSX S-1000 reset, ready to fucking rock and roll. Cheers, guys.